You've seen gift baskets before, but not like this. I'm going to take this ordinary balloon box and turn it into an extraordinary, creative gift for game night that they'll never forget. And guess what? You can too. So come along with me. All right? I have already gotten my balloon box together and gathered all the items. So let me show you what I've done to the box. This box, I've already taken some cardboard and made it firmer for the bottom. We want to make sure that it's going to hold everything that we put in here. So I covered that cardboard with some tissue paper and stuffed that down in the bottom. And as you can see, I have taken some vinyl and placed it around the balloon box to make it look like dice. Okay? And on the top it says game on. Alright? So, let's get started. Let me make sure you can see everything. Alright. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to place this Schitt's Creek, a delightful sampling things game. You won't believe the things you'll hear. I bet. Ages 14 to adult. Okay? So this is going to be for adults and children. Okay? I'm going to put everything in here. It's a lot. It's a lot. And I know I said adults and children. You'll see. We have some poker chips. All right. We're going to put them in here right there. It'll stay in a minute. And then we have some Tumbling Tower, the Tumbling Tower game, that's for ages 6+. So I'm going to put that right here. And then we are going to place, I have a Post-it notepad. We're going to put that in here. Okay. And we also have some Dominoes. I'm going to place that right here. And we have a Murder at the Manor game. This is ages 8 and up. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. And this one is ages 8 and up. Would you rather? So we're going to put that right here. And then we have some conversation cards, the Icebreaker. We're going to put that over here. Let's see here. And then, let's see. Next, I have a little paint can, and I have filled it with 2 decks of cards, some Uno cards, and some chocolates. Okay, so I put that in all the empty spots here. We're going to put that right here. I did put some tissue paper down at the bottom, okay, so it would sit up higher inside there. And then we have this puzzle game. Okay, so we're going to put this like, I'm trying to decide what color side I want to put it on. Okay, right here. Just like that. Yes. And we have an ashtray that I made in case they like smoking cigars, and this is a skull ashtray. They like a lot of stuff like that here in New Mexico. Alright, so I have that here. And I have some styrofoam cups and 2 golf balls so that they can play pong. Yeah, I almost lost that. Or other kinds of games, because there are lots of little games you can play with that with children. And then we have 2 dice. Okay. And I'm going to place them here. I'm going to fix it in a second. Okay. I also have a wireless speaker. All right. And we're going to put that right here. Like this. Okay. We have a pen, which I'm going to tape in a minute. Actually, I don't have to. You can attach the tape of the pen to the paper, like that. And now we're going to fill with goodies. I got some Krabby Patties. Okay. And first, before I do that, I'm going to put in the gummy bears. And the gummy bears, I'm actually going to place right here, like that. The Krabby Patties, I'm going to put them right, let's see, here. Like that. It's going to work out because we're going to get it all put together in just a minute. As soon as I make sure I can see everything. Okay? And then we have some popping candy. We're going to put that right here. We have some popcorn, and we're going to put that right here. And then I'm going to tape all of this together in just 1 second. And then we have some Airheads. I've already put them on some skewers, and I'm just going to place them throughout. Okay. I don't know where I want to put it. Somewhere. Oh, we're going to be taping these. Hold on 1 second. Now it's not going to move. Okay? Before I do that, I'm actually going to do that to this. And I should have done it this way. Alright, now that's not going to move again. But I wanted to. I needed to move it over some because I saw it's pushing the side. We can't push the side. There we go. Put some tape on there. Did I lose the tape? I did. It fell down there somewhere. One more. Excuse me. One more. We're going to put it right over here with this other one.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry about that, guys. That's the G lady. I don't want to say her name. She's automatic. And I forget that she's set up sometimes. Uh-huh. Alright. Let's see how good you can see. Okay. And next, I have some lights. I want to put some lights.
Sorry, it looks like those lights haven't been set up yet.
I already apologized, guys. It'll stop in a second. It'll stop in a second. My internet actually has been acting up for the last couple of days. It's going in and out. So, I'm very blessed to have some at the moment. I'm not complaining. Okay, my daughter just came in. See that? Yes. That is nice. I like that. So I'm going to fix that top. Let's see. Let me turn that off. And let's fix this. Uh-oh. I actually didn't have it on. I had it plugged up. That's not doing me any good at the moment. So, now that I turned it on, I'll wait for that to heat up. Meanwhile, I want to show you what this looks like. Because this, if I put, I don't know, should I put shred down there? I could, but I don't have to. That's the thing. It looks good just the way it is, but you know what I'm going to put in here? I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. Let's see how this looks. Okay, only one way to know. And I think I like it. I think I like it. So this might have been a good idea. Should have did that before I put this cotton down here, right? Right. Right. just like that. Let's turn it back on. Okay, pick it up. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So let me go ahead and fix this now that the light is on. It should be heated up now. And there we go. That piece lifted up, so I was just gluing it back down. Okay. These balloon boxes are not made for this, so you may have to secure it. Okay? And that is fine. Okay, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this one. Is it creative? Do you think you can do it? I know you can. I know you can. I know you can. You can find similar items. You can make it your own. Okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos. And until next time,